Sometimes your document may become damaged and you may not be able to open the document, or you may be able to open it, but some of the text may not be legible. If this happens, the first step in recovering the document or the text is to use the open and repair method to repair the damaged file. And this is really easy to do. What you'll need to do is open Word. And this is easy to do. Start by launching Word, and then open. And this is the trick. Now you must select Browse, because you have to open the file from the Explorer window. I'm going to select the file that is damaged. And instead of selecting Open, I'm going to select Open and Repair from drop-down option. Word will now try to repair that damaged file for you if the Open Repair does not fix the damaged file. You can try changing the document template from a custom document template back to a normal template. And that's really easy to do. If you have your file open, select File, click Options, click Add-ins. Under Manage at the bottom of the window, select Templates, and then go. You'll notice here that my document template is the normal document template. If I had a customized template for this document, I'd want to replace it with the normal .m file. To do so, you'd click Attach, and then select the normal template file, and Open, and OK. If the damage in the document was because of the formatting or some other customizations in that customized template that you used initially, those customizations and formatting will be removed. When you apply the normal .m template back to the document, if that doesn't work, you can start Word using the default settings. The first thing I need to do is close Word. Now I'm going to warn you. To do this, you will need to edit the registry. If you are uncomfortable doing this, then you may want to defer this to your IT administrator or your IT help desk. To edit the registry, press the Windows key, and then type regedit. Now we need to navigate to the Word registry key. You'll find that under H key Current User Hierarchy followed by Software folder. Click Microsoft and then Office. You may have to scroll down for it. And then you'll select the folder that represents your version of Word. At this time, I'm using Office 365, therefore my version is 16. This is where you'll find the Word registry key. Now before you delete this, it is highly recommended that you back it up. To do so, right-click, select Export, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. That way, if something goes wrong, I can restore that registry key. I can now go ahead and delete the Word registry key. Am I sure? Yes, I am. At this point, you would go ahead, close the registry, and then launch Word. Now Word will start with brand new default settings, and hopefully you'll be able to retrieve that data. If you're still unable to access the document, your next step is to change the printer drivers, and you may be wondering why you want to change the printer drivers. Well, Word will load the default printer driver that you have on your system. When you change the printer driver and then relaunch Word, it may allow you to access that damaged document. The first thing you need to do is ensure that Word is closed. Next, you'll need to access devices and printers on your system. And we are going to install a new XPS printer driver. To do so, select Add a printer. I know that a printer will not be found, therefore I'm going to select the printer that I want isn't listed, and this is followed by Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, because I'm going to control how I set up this printer. I'm going to use LPT port 1. And now I need to find the printer driver. Search for Microsoft, and then select Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Select Next, and you can use the driver that's already installed. Next one more time. Provide a name if you wish, and then ensure that this printer is set up as the default printer. and then Finish. Now when you launch Word, the XPS printer driver will be the default printer. This may allow you to open the file and/or retrieve the damaged data in your file. If you're still unable to access the damaged data, you can move on to the next step, which is saving your document in a different file format. To do so, launch the document that has the damaged data in it. For our demonstration, I'm going to use a blank document. The process is the same whether or not there's damaged data in this file or not. Select File, and then Save As. Click Browse. I'm going to save this file in my Documents folder. And here's the trick. You'll need to change the Save As type. Drop down to a Word 97 to 2003 document, and then Save. Close the file, and then reopen that document. And with some luck, you'll be able to access that text that's giving you a problem. I'm going to go ahead and close this document. First thing I need to do is open up a new blank document. I'm going to go back up to File and then Blank Document. Next, I'm going to open up the document that has the bad formatting in it. And instead of doing it from File and then opening it, I'm going to do it from File Explorer and select our problem document. Now, before you start copying text, the first thing you'll want to do is turn on formatting. And the reason you want to do this is you do not want to take the last paragraph mark. That last paragraph mark contains all the information about the document. And if you copy that last paragraph mark, you could be copying that bad formatting to the new document. I'm going to take what I want, excluding that last paragraph mark. Simply copy, and then paste it into the blank document. When you do it this way, the formatting is left behind and hopefully you'll be able to access the text within that document. For additional Word troubleshooting tips and tricks, please refer to the Word Help Center.